I know how much everybody loves them old tractors. Central Tractor Club display. Man, all shined out. Wonder how many were in the parade last weekend. I don't know. I like that Minneapolis Moline. Fun colors.
Did they have it yesterday?
1950 Oliver. Ford versus Ferguson. Who won out? I think Ford did. Look at how pretty those are.
Solid as a rock. No kidding, man.
It's like solid cast iron.
John Deere A. Oh, too bad they didn't have a B, C, D, the whole gamut.
Some like energy work, just trying to like.
Another John Deere A 7030. That's a pretty tractor.